that crab.
There it is.
It's the cutest little crab I ever did see. Hey everyone, welcome back. Thank you for watching another one of my videos. I'm out here at the gorgeous Bodega Bay, and it's blowing this morning. We're camping out here. We're camping at Doran this weekend. Me, my wife, my kids, my dad's out here. I got my buddy Stevie, Brian's supposed to be showing up. We're just having a good time. We're gonna go do some clamming. I got the boat and the truck right here. So we'll go do some crabbing. Rockfish is open out in the deep. I don't see us going out there. It's blowing. So it poured down rain all last night. I'm surprised it's not raining right now. But here's inside the bay. We got a couple hours till low tide. I'm gonna go eat some breakfast and figure out a game plan. I'll see you guys here shortly. So check it out, guys. I got my little man. We're going down here to this beach right down here. And we're gonna go get some clams and probably pump some ghost shrimp too. Let's see how we do. Oh, there's a mud shrimp. A big old mud shrimp.
My bucket.
That's a big one. Look at that mud shrimp.
Look at that. You gonna eat it?
You're gonna eat it. It's on the dinner menu for tonight.
What was this bubbling? Oh, there was this squirting.
I know, I'm making it do that. Look. Look at that little dude. Go for it. Come on, you can do it. Get it, Dylan. All right, put your finger over the hole and lift up. There you go, knock it out. Wow, look at that chunk you got. Kick it. See if there's anything in it. All right, let's go. How's it, honey?
Pretty damn tasty.
I want some.
So this place right here is supposed to be the best clam chowder in Bodega. If you're down here, give it a shot. It's pretty good. Well, good morning everyone. It's a different day today. Yesterday was windy, nasty. We didn't do much but hang out at camp, try to stay dry. It was raining. It must have been blowing 35 last night. I think it was like 28 knots. That's, yeah, 35 miles an hour. But today's a different day. You can hear the waves, but there's no wind. It looks gorgeous out there. We'll be out there here shortly. Here we go. Let's go drop this stack of hoops. Too bad we can't be dropping pots. Here we go, everybody. I got my little man right here playing in somebody else's holes. We're gonna go see what we can catch. Hoping for some clams and some ghost shrimp. Oh, there's a ghost shrimp. We'll take that one. There we go. There it is, right there. Got a ghost shrimp. What do you really want to? Oh, come on, bud. We just got a clam and a ghost shrimp. Yep, out of that hole. Keep your eyes open. They spray straight up.
The water?
Yeah. And then to take and walk over to the hole and draw a circle around it.
Oh, there it is.
Where?
Right.
Oh, right there. I see it. I see it.
Right there and right there.
So I'm gonna draw a circle around that one.
I think it was like right around here. No.
I can feel it. Not always. There we go.
There's something that is like right there.
There it is. Right there. Oh, here we go. Right here.
Wow. They're not little, are they?
No. Right there.
There you go.
Oh, it's over this way.
I don't have crab juice.
There's another one right over here. I just saw something from right here. Should be. If I can get it out. Can I get it? Yep, there it is. Here we go. That makes number 10. That's my limit for today.
That's awesome.
All right, everybody. So I got my limit of 10. Helped a whole bunch of other people catch theirs. Showed some guys, loaned them my clam gun. Had a good time. Here we go, everybody. We're headed out. Got the boat back in the water. We're gonna go pull the crab hoops. Got me, my dad, and Brian. See you guys out there. Here we go, guys. Pulling up on the first spot.
Deal with the rope.
Yeah, you can pull the rope. Are you gonna throw the black one? Nothing. Pit bull pots don't normally work. Let's see how the Promar does. We got crabs. We got crabs. Look at that. We got crabs. See how many keepers we got. All right, guys. No keepers. They're all under. We got some smalls. There might be one keeper.
Holy crap.
All littles, it looks like. There might be one. We'll see if they count any. There's the crab. They all look small though.
You can see the snail putter.
Look at these, guys. Those are the cutest little dungeons. It's kind of weird the colorings though.
Baby.
Check them out. Is that a dungy? That might be a green crab because it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 little indents. I think that's a green crab. It's different than what we caught up in Fort Bragg though.
Yeah.
Let me know in the comments, guys. There's a keeper.
We got one?
I would say we got a keeper.
Hey!
Keeper! Keeper ducky. Look
It
at
can
it.
go in your fish tank.
We finally caught a crab on a pit bull. Poop. It's the cutest little,
It's a monster.
it's the cutest little crab I ever did see. Look at that. First
Your
crab
kids would
ever in a
probably like
pit bull
that.
hoop. I don't know what they did wrong. They look really nice. Let this little guy go. All right, guys, that's some pretty slow crabbing. Crabbers did a pretty good job this year. They sucked all the big ones out. It's even worse than the last trip I made. But been out here having good times with my family. We're camping. We did some clamming, as y'all saw. Did some ghost shrimp pumping. All kinds of good stuff. And if you can look right over there, I'll zoom it in right now. You see that? Smoke signals? That's my wife telling me to get my butt over there and cook fish and chips for dinner. So we'll see you over there. All right, guys, check it out. I got my fish going right in the hot oil. Got it right here in the bag, along with some French fries. Don't take long. Good eats. All right, it's a little dark, but we got fried fish right there, and French fries and lemon and some shrimp over here. Dust that off. Dust that off.
Is that how Stevie did it?
Yep, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Ah. Yeah.
Well, I messed that one up. Well, check it out. I messed it up, but they're scraping the pot. And it's pretty tasty. Not the best looking pineapple upside down cake. I'll do better next time.
It's cool.
What do you got?
S'more. The double s'more.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Double s'more.
Is it good?
S'more. Bailey,
And Bailey's over there
want, a
crying.
s'more?
She wants
You
a
want-
s'more
You
too.
want some more?
this is what you do, Bailey.
And Tammy's making them.
Okay.
Jerry's sitting right there.
There's
Brian's holding light for you.
not
Look at that face.
See
Look
here.
at it.
Hey, enjoying that s'more.
Oh yeah, is that good?
Yeah.
She had some cake and now she's having s'mores.
Doran Beach.
We're
s'mores
enjoying our
2024.
last night at Doran Beach. All right, everybody, good morning. As you can see, the day that we gotta leave, it's gorgeous. But we're gonna cook some breakfast, hang out as long as we can. Check out at noon. All right, everybody, here we are, back out here again. Last time for our weekend of camping. We're gonna go play on the beach, get some more clams. Low tide, pulled out of Doran Beach and ran across the bay here.
So where's the hole that you push on, and what do you do exactly?
So there's a hole over here. You gotta wiggle it, push down,
Where's
wiggle, 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 wiggle. It's right here.
Where?
And then look, here, let me pull it up.
The hole.
Let me pull it up for you, Sierra.
Oh, on there. Okay.
And this one's for me.
See, then you,
And you make a big old hole or not to drop the snow down. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, there's a little baby crab. Little baby crab.
check that one.
There it is.
Oh, clam.
Good one.
Sierra got a good clam.
Oh, it squirted at me.
This one's not marked.
It's for next year.
There was something hard right there.
Have it?
The little baby one.
Have it?
Oops, sorry.
You don't have to move it, Dawn. It's okay. There it is.
Oh, found it.
Here's one right here. I can feel it. There it is. You want this one, huh, Dylan? Watch out, bud.
Dang it! Bro! That was sick! Brick! What? Broken brick!
Oops.
Wow, it was a big one, Dylan.
Look at that one. There we go. Let's see what we got. 2, 4, well, 4, 6, wait, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. We got 20. I'm happy with that. All right, everybody, look at that bucket full. That ain't a 5-gallon bucket. That's a 7-gallon bucket. Good times. Me, my wife, my kids, my dad, whole family affair. We're all muddy, covered in sand, wet. Good times. Gets family out. It's a lot of fun. So check it out, everybody. We just spent all weekend camping right over there. We went clamming, we did some crabbing, we did all kinds of good stuff. And we had a blast. The weather was nasty the first day. Second day was just okay. We were able to get out in the boat. But crabbing ain't that great. Commercial crabbers did a great job. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Do me a favor, go down below, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified. Big thanks to all my subscribers and all the support to the channel. Hope to catch y'all in the next one.
That's it was a little shrimp. It was a little shrimp. I found a little shrimp. Inside of it was a little tiny little shrimp.
Yep.
It was a little shrimp inside of it. Inside of it was a little tiny little shrimp. I got it. I found it. It's a little tiny little shrimp.
Oh, there's a